In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime not working. If you've been having issues with FaceTime, don't worry because I'm here to guide you through some simple and effective steps to get everything running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First off, we need to check the strength of your internet connection. FaceTime relies heavily on a stable internet connection, so make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular network. You might want to double check your Wi-Fi router to ensure it's functioning correctly and providing a stable connection. If you're using cellular data, make sure you have an active data plan and check if you've reached any data limits that might be affecting your call quality. Now, let's move on to confirming that FaceTime is actually enabled on your device. This is often overlooked, but it's crucial for the app to function. Head over to the settings on your device, then navigate to apps and select FaceTime. Here, ensure that it's turned on. This setting allows FaceTime to connect properly, and having it disabled would prevent calls from going through. Next up, checking for software updates is an essential step. An outdated iOS version can sometimes be the root cause of why FaceTime isn't working as expected. Go to your device settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If there is any pending update, it's a good idea to install it. Updates often contain bug fixes that can resolve connectivity issues or other glitches affecting FaceTime. Another important step is to verify your date and time settings. Having incorrect settings can affect FaceTime, particularly if the time zone or date is wrong. Go back to settings, tap on General, and then date and time. Make sure that set automatically is turned on. This will adjust your time zone based on your location and help maintain proper syncing for applications including FaceTime. If, after these steps, you're still having issues, try resetting your network settings. This can resolve any underlying network configuration problems that might be disrupting your FaceTime. In your settings, select General, head to Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset, then Reset Network Settings. Be aware that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so you'll have to re-enter them afterward. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be time to get in touch with Apple support. They can offer advanced troubleshooting or identify any deeper issues with your device that you might not be able to address on your own. By following these steps, you should be able to fix FaceTime not working. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting your FaceTime back on track.